This is how you make and solder zinc plating. Zinc roofing must be able to expand freely because it has a high coefficient of expansion, so you are not allowed to screw or nail it. Zinc must be clamped so that it does not blow away, but it must be able to expand freely. Zinc roofing is unfortunately not often used anymore because it is fairly expensive to have made. But that doesn't outweigh the great benefits. A zinc roof has many advantages. For example, zinc is very durable. It will last for many decades without losing much in quality or appearance. Zinc is extremely suitable as roofing material for both large and small roof surfaces. For a zinc roof, you can choose from various systems, such as the seam system, rollover system and a losange system. The appearance of the systems varies and determines the choice for a particular system. A zinc roof lasts 75 to 125 years. Zinc contributes to the sustainability of your property. A zinc roof is maintenance-free. The look of zinc is authentic and natural. There are different versions of zinc roofing to cover your pitched, curved or flat roof. Would you like to know more about zinc roofs? Let me know in the comment and I'll make a video about it.
Okay.
Yeah. Give a big thumbs up if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episodes.